Welcome to our channel. If you're facing issues with the Roblox app freezing, you're not alone. Today, we'll walk you through some simple steps to get your game back on track. First, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up minor glitches. Just press and hold the power button, then select Restart. Next, clear the cache and data for Roblox. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Roblox, and head to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will help remove any temporary files that might be causing the freeze. Step 3 is to update the Roblox app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and check if an update is available. If there is, make sure to update the app. If that doesn't work, you might want to uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure you have the latest version. Fifth, check your storage space. Ensure your device has enough free storage to run the app smoothly. Finally, update Android System WebView. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Android System WebView, and update it if needed. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Roblox experience.